ng 1701Q first quarter, may matatanggap ba akong ITR or annual lang siya? Pag nag-file po tayo using EBIR, ang mare-receive lang natin sa email natin ay yung tax return receipt confirmation galing kay BIR. Wala po tayong mare-receive na income tax return or any BIR form. Tayo po mismo ang mag-preprint noon gamit yung EBIR software. My name is George. I'm a Freelancers tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Again, tayo po magpiprint nun using PDF printer. Ito, meron akong guide. Punta ka dito para panoorin yung guide na to kung paano mag-print out via PDF. Kung gagamitin mo naman for requirements purposes yung ITR mo, huwag mong kalimutang pirmahan bago mo ito isubmit. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding Freelancers BIR registration and Freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.